Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the triple ring by the Bonus collection. So let's get started. So this is the triple ring itself. Now this is a versatile sex toy that makes the genitals stand out more. The 3 cock ring part is worn around the penis and the ball bag and thus provides more volume and a challenging experience as well. The material is made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel amazing on the skin and very comfortable to wear during use. It's also stretchy for the perfect fit. Now there are 3 different size cock ring. The smallest has a diameter of 3 centimeters, the medium cock ring has a diameter of 4 centimeters, and the largest cock ring has a diameter of 5 centimeters. When using the triple ring, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean them after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the triple ring by the Bonus collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.